Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on your Facebook business page. Whether you're refreshing your brand's look or updating to a new logo, this process is straightforward and will help keep your business page looking professional and current. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This will take you directly to your business page management area. Now you'll be directed to your Facebook business management page. This is where you can control all aspects of your business presence on Facebook. To change your business profile picture or display photo, focus your attention on the current profile photo you're using at the top of the page. You'll notice a small camera icon positioned at the bottom part of your profile picture. Go ahead and click on this camera icon. This icon serves as the gateway to all your profile picture options and makes the editing process quick and accessible. Once you click the camera icon, a menu will appear with several options. You'll see that you can select from photos you've already added to your page, choose from existing post images, or upload a fresh image directly from your computer. Since the first two options allow you to work with images already on Facebook, we'll focus on the upload process, which gives you complete control over introducing a new business profile photo. Look for the option that says plus upload photo at the top of the menu and click on it. This action will trigger a File Explorer window to open on your screen. The File Explorer lets you browse through all the folders and files stored on your computer, navigate through your folders to locate the image you want to use as your new profile picture. This could be your updated logo, a new brand image, or any other photo that represents your business identity. Once you've found the right image, click on it to select it. You'll see the file become highlighted, confirming your selection. To proceed with the upload, click on the Open button at the bottom of the File Explorer window. As soon as you click Open, the image upload will start immediately, and Facebook will begin processing your new profile picture. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on your Facebook business page, giving your brand a fresh and updated appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.